welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today, hanging the lights finally. Got these 3 in right there, this one over here, and those 4 over there. I ran out of lights, I have to go grab some more tomorrow. I need 3 more for this row right here. So that's what I worked on today. Basically, I had my 22 pieces of strut here from Friday, so I went ahead and filed those down on all the edges. I went ahead and put 3 little chains on there. I forget the jack chain. Put 3 jack chains on all of those, and then a bolt washer and a strut nut on the back of those. And that's how I'm hanging these. As you can see right here, got the strut, the little jack chain right there. And so that's what I've been doing. Just busted out all of those, and then now I'm just hanging the lights. So I just got those 3 left. So that's pretty much all I worked on today. They turned out pretty good, pretty straight and lined up, because the jack chain, they don't really have any room to move. So that's pretty nice. This one is a little bit off on the right side, but for the most part, they're straight down the middle. My apprentice worked on getting out these 2 datas right here. Got those out of the wall because this is going to be a hard lid, like I said. Got some preacher's collars on the ends of those babies right there. Also kicked up a pipe right here for the junction box right here, right there, and then also landed in the MC. A little strap down action over there, and then also into this box right here. Got this guy landed in here, and just also got this up. So this will be a new plug. This will turn into a junction box for the ADA requirements, because these plugs are at like 14 inches, so these need to be up to 20. That's gonna be the new plug, and then a new plug over there, and then also another one that's gonna be added. Got the connector out of this box, and then it's gonna go over here somewhere for another receptacle. And so that's what we worked on today, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next one. I got a special video for you with Matt Electrician, so stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna upload it right after this one, so stay tuned for that tonight. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.